very first Hawaiian kitty. I'm petting a Hawaiian kitty in Hawaii. Hello, kitty.
Whoops. Sorry, Jay. Do you have room back there?
I got plenty of room.
Okay. I'm gonna go back just a little.
What's it like driving for the first time in a foreign country?
It's different.
Use the left lane to take the.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but our first Hawaiian rainbow. It's there. Got a Hawaiian rainbow. Marriott and valet parking. Would you guys look at this place? Welcome everybody to Waikiki Beach. What's the name of our hotel?
The Embassy Suites.
The Embassy Suites at Waikiki. And yeah, just right here where valet parking is, it's like looks like it's right in the lobby. It's like you valet directly into the lobby. Everything is outdoors. You can see there's no wall over there. It's a unique, kind of really beautiful place so far. We haven't seen the room yet. Let's go check it out. This is definitely a unique hotel with an outdoor setting. Except for the hallway, so you come right in off the street and walk right down your hallways. It's kind of nice. This is the Aloha Tower here. I don't know if that's where we're going, but what a fancy schmatzy place. Oh, it's taken a while to get the room and stuff like that. They're over there doing that. I figured I'd come here and talk to you guys for a few. Relax. Man, that was like the world's longest plane ride to get here. If you're coming from Florida to Hawaii, I'm telling you, just stay in Florida. It's basically the same, except here they got hills. And save it. And unless you really, really, really love flying on the plane, oh, and watching, I don't know. It could be worth coming here. Yeah, you know what? We got that in Florida too. So what are you going to expect on the videos this week? Well, let me give you some highlights of what's going to happen so you guys know what to watch out for if you want to, if you don't want to. So today, this video, a quick little room tour, and that's about it. And highlights of what's coming in the future. So this week, Pearl Harbor and the Arizona War Memorials. We're going to a movie ranch where Jurassic Park was filmed this week, along with the TV show Lost and King Kong. Then we have, I think we're gonna go to the Dole Plantation. And then I, El Solo, just me, am gonna barefoot, Bob Blue Wave Odyssey barefoot climb to the very tip top of a volcano and catch a sunrise. That's the type of content you're getting ready to receive when you open your little YouTube application. Should be fun. Anyway, before I end this video, let's go check out what this room looks like. Before we do a quick room tour, let's look over our balcony here. Would you guys get a look at that Pacific Ocean out there? We're on the 17th floor, got a beautiful balcony, got 2 rooms here, and 2 bathrooms. So we got this bathroom here I'm going to be using because I had some Mexican hamburger earlier today. And so we got this, and you know what's really cool? Look at it. We got all digital display for AC and stuff like that, all the room controls. Nice little living quarters in here with another balcony. We got another balcony here. Wow. See, look at that. We got another balcony. Actually, let's open this up because I think Jen Vargas from Central Florida Top 5 just came out of her bedroom and is out here on this super major balcony also. Would you guys look at my thing bouncing around here? Would you guys look at this? Ooh, look at that pool over there. That is super blue. Just, it can't get much more perfect than this. I mean, For these guys, maybe, but for me, I'm stuck with Alex back there. So we got this, and then this is another entrance, or this is your guys' bathroom, huh? So you got a bathroom that goes into the hallway?
Yeah, our bathroom does kind of one of these. Check it out.
Oh, hey. You ever remember when Scooby-Doo and Shaggy and everybody used to run around and open doors and close doors like Three Stooges style?
Of course.
We got enough doors in this place to do that.
I've done that in real life.
You can imagine.
Yeah.
So, wow.
It's debauchery, but yeah, absolutely. It happens.
Not bad. Well, I think I'm going to choose a bed real fast and get washed up and put some clean clothes on and get out of these airport clothes. And I hope that you guys are going to be tuning in this week for some fun goodness, maybe some zip lining, some swimming with sharks, snorkeling with sea turtles, climbing volcanoes, and all the fun stuff that's going to be had with all that. Until the next time, please remember to like, comment, share, comment. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you from out on the island. Peace out, everybody.